Learners, welcome to LC Academy and welcome back to our UI UX designs journey. In our previous video, we learned about what is UI and UX designs. Today we are going to learn design principles and fundamentals of UI. The secret behind every beautiful app and websites. But before learning design principles, we need a tools for practice UI. So the most popular tools used by designer is Figma. So first let's install Figma and then learn how designers actually use these principles in real projects. Okay. So guys, what exactly is Figma? Think of Figma as a Photoshops for UI and UX designers. Developers can use VS Code for writing codes. Similarly, designers use Figma to create a app and website designs. Using Figma, you can create mobile app screens, website designs, wireframes, prototypes. The best part is Figma is a beginner friendly and free to use. Okay, now first we can uh, now we can install Figma. Okay. Okay. This is our official Figma website. Now I'm already created a account for me, so I can log in first. Okay, log in. Continue with Google and now the Figma's come to our account. Okay, this is Figma website. You can directly now install your Figma app uh, in your device. Okay. Now this is the page. We can create a reasons. Okay. All files. Designs. Figma designs. Okay. Now it's a fresh page. In the Figma you can ask any doubts or chats with your designers. Okay. Now click the site now bar. This is our email ID, and then below I click the plus icon, and you can need to create a team for you. You can create. Okay. And then designs. This is the free app I access now. Okay. Okay, this is the first file I created. Now this is a new page. Okay. Now I add some. See, this is the cursor for move your objects. So this is the cursor, and it's a crop your frames, and this one is shapes. Okay, now I can add a rectangle. Okay, add a rectangle. Now see this left side now bar. In the layers add a one rectangle, and then now I add a arrow. Okay. Now see the arrow one will be added. Which type of objects did you add in this page? The left side now bar, add this elements name in one by one. Okay. Now you can, in the base color is F55, so you can change any color. Okay, now you can change it and then click. You can modify this elements in your own way, and this is the alignment position. X and Y positions are there, and then if you any modify in your selected element, click the element, and the right side navbar will display some positions, layouts, and appearance. Okay, and you can also change the rectangle elements color. Now I can change. Return I can click. If I need to rotate, I can add 45 degree. Okay, now the rectangular will be rotated in 45 degree. Okay, so this is the basic first things you can need to access your Figma. Okay, you can open your website. If you open your website and you can try it all the things in one by one. Okay, in the next video I can see the hero section of using UI. Okay, then we can move it to the next one. Okay, now we install Figma in your own laptop, and you cannot install the Figma. First of all, you go and install the Figma, and what are the basic things in that Figma websites, and then how to use this, and you can try it yourself. Okay, it have a move tools, move elements, and framework tools. It's frames The frames are act like a whole mobile screen or web pages, and shape tools. Now we using rectangular and arrow. We have a circular, triangle, and almost any interfaces. And finally the text tool also available in the Figma, like heading, contents. So don't worry if it's feel few new, but every designer start here. Okay. Now we can move to the first slide. Okay, introduction to the design principles. Okay, the design principles is nothing but what are the things we used in our UI. Okay, now contrast. Guys, contrast is just simply means making important things stand out. Like imagine you are watching YouTube. Why do you immediately notice the red subscriber button? Because of contrast. We in our normal life we mostly hear that word contrast. See the cloth is very contrast, and see this color, see the wall color will very contrast. If you add one color, that color have a contrast color. See, like if you are seeing one blue, sky blue color, the contrast color for blue is light green and red, that type of contrast color. Okay, so because this is the contrast, the red color stands out from the white background. Now imagine if your subscribe button was also white, why should you notice it? You are not notice it. It's like a normal thing you can see. So the attract button will need a contrast color. So What's why contrast is important. In a Figma, select a button or change its color, increase the font size, and immediately you will notice how attention moves towards this. The design principle mostly basics on the attraction. You can suddenly notice one something in your website, so at that time you can need this type of principles like contrast, font size, colors. Okay, and then alignment. Alignment means arranging the elements neatly. If you are seeing one website, the website images and then some type of products will overrated, or the someone is placed in uh, one element is placed in right side and one element is placed in left side or middle of the pages, it's not look like a good. So uh, the alignment the alignment element is very important to arranging the elements very neatly. This about your school's notebooks. When handwriting is straight and properly aligned, it looks clean and very easy to read. The same way, but if everything is scattered randomly, it becomes difficult to understand. The same happens in UI designs. Button, text, and images should align properly. The look wise, the website is very neat and it's very simple to use. Okay, so the real world examples like open Instagram, notice how posters are perfectly aligned. If you add some post in your Instagram, and add, if you are day by day add some posters that are correctly aligned in your own account, or you see another person account that are probably arranging very neatly, so you can see the websites looks very good. Okay, and in Figma, the turns on the layout grids, use auto layout. This helps maintain perfect alignment. Okay, and repetitions, proximity. And repetition means repeating designs elements consistently. For an example, imagine a shopping app. If one page has a blue button and the another page has a green button, users may get confused. So, if one page have a blue button, the in that website we most of the colors are same. If you give the one button color for one page and another page you have another color for the button, it's not good, user can see. So all buttons use the same style, user quickly understand it's that interface. Okay, so that is the repetition. In Figma we can create components, reusing them everywhere. So professionally designers rarely redesign the same buttons again and again. And proximity means keeping related items together. Think about the online stores. Like the product image, product name, and the price are usually placed close together. Why? Because the user can immediately understand the things. If you like, you can one example. Visit the Mintra or Mizo pages. You can search one product, and the product will be displayed in some card type. Okay, and first you see the image, and above inside the card you can first see the image and then the product price. First the name and the product price, how much discount for this product and which day will deliver. So that product details are always closely in that product image, so the user can immediately understand, oh, okay, this product have a this price and this product name is this, and how many color options are there. So the price appears where away from the product, the user can becomes which amount for this. See, you can see that card in if inside the card you can see the product image and the name, and the another slightly move to some place, and then you can see that some price. The user can certainly confused what is this price only alone in that page, and the user can suddenly thinking how much of this product price, so user can confused more things. So that's why proximity improves the usability of the users. Okay. White space. Many beginners think empty space is wasted space. Actually, empty space is the powerful. Looks like a Apple website. They use lot of empty space. But why? Because it helps user focuses on the important content, and when everything's crocked, users feels overwhelmed. Like good spacing creates a premium feel. Like you can see you can see on website the small content in their page of them in the middle of the page, and then the another side all will be a white space. The time the page will be very neat, and it gives some elegant and rich look for that page. So the white space is very important for UA, okay, user interface. And this slide hierarchy, visual hierarchy means in deciding what user should see first. Okay, like I give some example. You can, yeah, all are using Netflix. Yeah, open Netflix. First, you notice the movie banners, then the title, then the play button. This order is intentionally designed. Designers guide the user eyes using size or and the space. You can see the Netflix first. Which movies visual first, and which movie will the second priority, and you can see the movie banner, and the play button will be nearly close to the banner. So these are the visual hierarchies. And okay, balance in design. Balance means distributing elements properly across the screen. Okay, consistency means following the same designs styles in everywhere. Imagine if the WhatsApp change reads the send button positions in every day. User should become frustrated. Consistency creates a familiar and trust, because if you using some, yeah, if you are using the more elements in one page, that time the page will be overrated. So you can use that balancing and consistency in that page. The elements are properly distributing uh, in that across screen. Okay. Okay, this is the consistency we see. User can uh, trust the websites like consistency, the same designs and styles in everywhere. Okay, if you can open one websites, some designs are there, you can open the websites in the another day, the design will be changed, the user can confusing. Yesterday we can see the image, but now the website will change if it is correct or wrong, so the user can confuse sometimes. So you can use the consistency in your website. The user can easily understand what type of website we will visit or we can use. Okay. Practice design example. You can first of all you can install the Figma, and you can open your own account, and you can practicing the contrast, alignment, repetition, proximity, white space, and then balance, consistency, design principles. Okay, you can only see the videos. You cannot. You can gain the knowledge only theoretically. If you need a if you are need and you can. You can you can give a more task and you can practically uh, experimented in your own way, you can gain the more practical experience. Okay guys, we in this video we can learn design principles and fundamentals in UI and how to install Figma and the basic things in Figma website. I hope you guys you can understand this UI UX design and principles. We will see you in the next video.